Hello students, in the last video we have discussed about the classification introduction part of the urinary tract anti-infective agents. Now we will discuss the drugs which are used in the urinary tract anti-infective agents. First drug is the nalidixic acid. This one is the structure of the nalidixic acid. This drug is used as a urinary antiseptic. Next drug is the norfloxacin. The structure is given below. This drug is used as a urinary tract infection. It is used in the uncomplicated gonorrhea, diarrhea and peritonitis. Next drug is the enoxin. This one is the structure of the enoxin. This drug is used into the gonorrhea, respiratory tract infection, urinary infection and in the use of the diarrhea. Next drug is the ciprofloxacin. This is the structure of the ciprofloxacin, and this drug is used into the typhoid, joint infection, gonorrhea, bronchitis, pneumonia and multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. Next is the synthesis of the ciprofloxacin as per your new syllabus. First of all, 3-chloro-4-fluoroaniline is reacted with the ethyl ethoxy methylene malonate. Then intermediate A is produced with the loss of the ethanol. Then the intermediate A is reacted with the diphenyl ether. Then the intermediate B is also produced with the loss of the ethanol. Then intermediate B is reacted with the 2-chlorocyclopropane. With the loss of the HCl, intermediate C is produced. When the intermediate C is reacted with the sodium hydroxide, then intermediate D is produced. When intermediate D is reacted with the piperazine, then the ciprofloxacin is produced. This is the synthesis of the ciprofloxacin. Next drug is the ofloxacin. This is the structure of the ofloxacin. Ofloxacin used into the bronchitis, ENT infection, urethritis and the pneumonia. Next drug is the lomifloxacin. This is the structure of the lomifloxacin. Next drug is the sparfloxacin. This is the structure of the sparfloxacin. This drug is used into the pneumonia, ENT, leprosy, AIDS, bronchitis. These are the drugs are used into these diseases. Next drug is the gatifloxacin. This is the structure of the gatifloxacin. Gatifloxacin used into the UTI, sexually transmitted disease, skin and tissue infection. Next drug is the moxifloxacin. This is the structure of the moxifloxacin. Next drug is the furazolidine. This is the structure of the furazolidine. This drug is used into the UTI, diarrhea, giardiasis and cholera. Next drug is the nitrofurantoin. This is the most important drug. This is the structure of the nitrofurantoin. This is used into the UTI. UTI means urinary tract infection. These are the drugs which are used into the urinary infection. So chapter is completed. Thank you.